15610 Eleanor update video. That's the main guy here. He's done most of the work, and he's very been with me for how long? You been with me?
12 years.
12 years. So let's go inside. We're really getting close. He'll be done this weekend, so we'll be able to get this one pretty much on the market. So right here you see he's got all this flooring laid, so that's looking really good. I mean, it really opened up the place. Makes it look so much bigger and better. And again, you can see all this. So that's a luxury vinyl plank. And all the paint's there. Then they came and, when we had to paint this, so that was done. So that one's been coated. You can see it looks brand new. Same thing in here. This is all done. The flooring just makes phenomenal. He's changing out the window here, so they're popped this out. So you can see here he's getting all this ready to put the new one in right here. So that looks good. And in here, let's make this look so much bigger. He's going to finish up there, but you can see all of it's getting done. And this stuff's got the 10-year warranty with the rubber back. It's just the good stuff. And then we'll go upstairs here. On this. And you see, start up here, he's getting this short up. But here's what it's going to look like. Up here it looks really nice. So we're really moving along with this. It's nice and good. And let me go here. Go here, so this is all good. So there you go. So this is looking good. All this new flooring is going to be put in here. So we have that. He'll be laying that. So he's just finishing this one up, and we'll get this one up for sale. But it's a nice place. It's going to be gorgeous. So again, I'm Brett. I'm with Fathom Realty. I'm checking on real estate, updating a client. If you need this kind of service, call me for investment real estate, income real estate, 216-703-5740. We do everything. And we've done over 1,200 properties. 216-703-5740. No stress investment. Thanks.